Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna do like a video series on how to set up your IPTV on your TV and stuff. So we're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna go get a Google Chromecast, and we're gonna spend the day inside because it's like gonna rain and I got a cold. Okay, let's go. Okay, we're in the Google Chromecast aisle, and they don't have any on the shelf here, but they do have a Roku stick for $59 and the Chromecast is $45. So I might just go ahead and grab the Stream Stick Plus because it does say you can install applications, right? We'll have to check it out if there's an application for Roku Streaming Stick. Let's check it out. So there's the Roku Stick 3600 for $59, and this is actually different. This turns out this is the 3810 model for $89. So I'm going to get the 3810 just because it's already in my hand, and they do have a Google Chromecast Mini, so I'm going to pick that one up as well. On a side note, could you imagine if they did Cyberpunk on VR? Yeah, but they're not gonna. And they didn't downgrade.
Oh, okay. You on vacation or?
Yeah, can you check the price?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Yes. But you're still here, right?
Yes.
Right? You're still in this. 4488.
4488.
Can you watch the price now?
This one, yeah, please.
$89.88.
Okay, that's the same price on the shelf. And this one is 45?
$40.
40 bucks?
Yeah.
Even better. Okay, cool. I'll just get all three.
All three?
Try them out. Take a break. And I forget what I had to say. It was not important, but I was going to say something. Let's go check. Look at that. Ugh. Okay, cool. So we got actually 3 devices on that trip. So the Roku Streaming Stick, which this one, Stick Plus, I guess, this one delivers 4K and it has HDR, so I think you can record in HD. This one is the Roku Express, new 5 times more powerful, probably not as new as this new. They both say new with an exclamation mark, but I'm sure the Stick Plus is newer as it has a newer model number, which is going to be, yeah, the 3810, where this one is the so this is the 3900CA. So we have the 3900 and the 3810. Not sure which one is actually newer, but we'll try them both out. This one was significantly cheaper, although it had the higher model number. It doesn't say explicitly 4K on the thing, so I think that's what the drawback is. Anyways, we're not going to deal with these today, but we're going to talk about the price comparison since they're right here. So the Google Chromecast, it's $40. This this Roku Express stick was $44.88, and the Roku Streaming Stick was $89.88. Not too bad. And then there's some environmental fee on there, like 75 cents, $2.50. So yes, let's do an unboxing here now. So I've actually opened one of these before, and I play with it on using a laptop and a MacBook, Windows and laptop and a MacBook. And it's fairly straightforward, so I'm just going to show you some basic stuff instead of just like playing with it. There's the unboxing. Wow, that was fun. So then it comes with USB charger block. I don't know if it gets enough power, but I've used it plugged in. I'm going to try it out first, not plugged in, and we'll see how that goes. And that's it. That's all there is. And then we'll see how it works. Press the
Turn on.
I should have read the instructions. Okay, now it's detecting on HDMI 2. Okay, before it was plugged in, it wasn't detecting on HDMI 2. So what you got to do is you got to, so just go to Google Chromecast whatever it says there, .com/setup. Okay, I got my laptop and I've navigated to that website, Google Chromecast/setup. I'm going to set up your Google Chromecast using this computer. And you know what? This is where I got stuck. And to be quite honest with you, oh, okay. Send users data and crash reports to Google. I'm going to decline. On the privacy terms, I have to accept, but I don't want to send usage data. And then something went wrong. We ran into an expectation. There we go. That's 3909. On the screen, it's 3909. Okay, we're good there. Let's click to set up. Set me up. Yeah, that's right. So you initially have to set it up once so it knows to connect to the Wi-Fi. And then from there, what I've used on laptop and PC. Confirm this code. Do you see this code on your TV? Yes. Looks good, right? Yeah, click there. And then, yeah, Wi-Fi network, I gotta do this one. And then, so instead of using like the Google Chromecast software, which is kind of only available for like mobile devices, I just use Google Chrome, the web browser. Hang on when we finish the update. Holy cow. Okay, this is going to be a while. So what I do, I'm going to go to a website and show you real quick because I can only hold my arm up for so long. So over the weekend, I was trying to live stream a music festival. Jeez Louise. And it wasn't on YouTube, it was on its own hosted thing. And we needed to cast it because YouTube can just cast it to the Google Chromecast. So what we do is we can like just do this drop down thing here and we have the option to cast. And then once it's all set up, it just asks you to cast the television. And whatever's on this tab, this tab here, will be cast onto the television, which is really cool because you could make it large and it'll take up the whole TV screen. But it's not set up yet. So we're going to let that set up and then we'll come back to this because we're getting an update apparently. Alright, and we're back after, it took like maybe 15 minutes I guess to do all the setup and all that. So, okay, yeah, let's go to VLC Media Player because this is my favorite app to use on PC and Mac and it's really easy to use. So you can go, I got a mouse, let's use my mouse. Oh, jeez. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go up to the, well first I'm going to load the stream. So in order to load an M3U playlist on VLC Media Player, you need to go to Media and then Open Network Stream. That's Control N, if you're wondering. And I'm going to paste that URL in there and then just go play. Now this is going to take a while. What you're going to do is you're going to go to the bottom here and there's this playlist icon. You're going to open up your playlist and that's going to take like maybe 5 minutes before it populates. While that's loading, I'm going to go to okay, so we're back, and it took like maybe it probably took 15 minutes to get that loaded. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how it works very briefly on a laptop, whether it's a Mac or Windows PC. Get Google Chrome, the web browser. Now, over the past weekend, I was watching Lock-In Festival, and I wanted to stream that to the television. What I could not do was I couldn't stream from this non-YouTube broadcast. So what I used in Google Chrome is the 3 buttons in the top right corner. I don't know if you can see that. And then just go cast. It's going to find that Google Chromecast, which you've set up. You just click there. It's going to cast on your TV. So whatever's on this particular tab at this moment in time, that's going to be on your TV. And you can start doing other things. You can go to your whatever. VLC is still loading, but you could do other things while your TV is casting that tab. Like you can go check your email or whatever. You can do other stupid stuff. You're doing your computer and your TV is still casting that. Okay, so that's one cool thing about Google Chromecast. Well, what's more important is the IPTV. So right now it's loading there, the VLC media player. I've put an M3U playlist in the load network stream. If you need any help with that, just go check out the setup for the VLC media player, and I'll be right back once that loads, and I'll show you how to cast your VLC media player to your TV. Okay, we're back, and the thing loaded. Why did it take 5 minutes for VLC to load? Well, because there's so many channels. I'm going to go down to this playlist button icon, toggle playlist, and this is going to show all my channels here. Right, so that's basically how you use VLC media player. But what I'm going to do first and foremost, I'm going to go down to darn. I'm going to go down to playback and renderer. Haha, that's where it is. I'm going to allow access to my firewall because it's asking for access. Holy cow, okay, fine. I'm going to go down to playback, renderer, and then Chromecast, so whatever the name of your Chromecast is, and that's going to then cast on your TV. Boom, I have the TV muted. Let's unmute that to make sure that everything's okay here. Okay, I got a warning saying video conversion drains batteries, duh. Okay, so I gotta confirm that, yeah, okay. And then it's gonna cast on TV. Audio video comes out of the TV, perfect. So on the computer, it's not showing on the computer, so let me mute that. We don't need to be watching CNBC, NBC, sports, whatever. So you can go back to your playlist, and you could change your channels like this. This is your little TV guide here. So what I'm going to do, actually, I'm going to search for RDS. Right, RDS? Yeah, RDS. I'm going to click on that. Just do a quick test. Unmute it slightly. Ok, ça fonctionne. Ok, LDS 2. Et ça fonctionne. On cherche canal D maintenant. Canal HD. Canal D.
Et de toute l'équipe de production, merci d'avoir été là. Je vous dis au revoir et à la prochaine.
Canal HD, HD. What is this? Oh no. En tout cas, je pense que les canaux français fonctionnent. So, ça c'est pas un problème ici avec le Google Chromecast. C'est très facile. It's really easy with the Google Chromecast. I wanted to show you how to do this on a MacBook, but it's the exact same thing. With respect to doing it on Android or iOS device, like first you have to get the thing streaming on your Apple or Android device first. So there's another curve there. So just watch another tutorial for like setting it up on your Android or iOS device, and then combine this tutorial with that tutorial, and then you could just stream it on your Google Chromecast. I think that's a great $40 alternative than to buy a retarded box. And yeah, I do use the word retarded. No, maybe I shouldn't use the word retarded, but they're dumb. The boxes are useless. I don't like the boxes. You could just you have hardware, I'm sure, at home that you could use to stream this stuff. Okay, final thoughts on the Google Chromecast. I think it's easy to use. I think it's versatile. The only drawback is that I don't think it streams in 4K video. So other than that, like, you could use it for many things. Like you're having a Poker Stars party, you could use it. you're having you want to stream something on YouTube on your TV, but you don't have a smart TV. Boom! This is easy to use. $40. And the next thing I want to say is, where do I get the IPTV? Well, you're going to go down to Vapefrog.ca and register at Vapefrog.ca. That's where you're going to get the best service. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Okay, bye.